Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple. Let's begin with CAT 2017 slot 2 quant question. Here is question number 13. Amal can complete a job in 10 days. Bimal can complete it in 8 days. Amal, Bimal and Kamal together complete the job in 4 days and are paid rupees 1000. If this amount is shared by them in proportion to their work, then Kamal's share in rupees is. So if you want to solve this question, you can pause the video and solve this. After that you can match the answer. See, Amal can complete the work in 10 days, it is given. Bimal can complete the same work in 8 days, and Kamal can complete, it is not given, so we will take it as X days. In X day he can complete that work. 8 days, 10 days. So in one day, how much work will Amal do? It will be 1 by 10. And in one day, how much work will Bimal do? It will be 1 by 8. Since 1 by 8 work is done by Bimal in one day, so 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 in this 8 times will be 8 by 8, which is equal to 1 complete job. So this way we can write 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8 plus in one day how much of work will Kamal do is 1 by x. This is one day work. They all will do 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by x works in one day. Okay, but here it is given that they all finish the job in 4 days. So this all together will, when they will work for 4 days, the work will be 100% completed. So it will be equal to 1 work is done. So this we will solve here. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10 is 18 by 80 plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 4. That again we can solve it as 9 by 40 plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 40. That implies 1 by x is equal to 1 by 40. That implies x is equal to 14 days. So Kamal can finish the work in 14 days. Not 14, it's 40 days. So x is equal to 40 days. We got the value. So right now see, if 1000 rupees is paid for their work combinedly as remuneration, so this how this 1000 rupees will get divided. So this 1000 rupees will get divided based on their work, amount of work done by each person. So in one day A will do one day work, I am finding 1 by 10 work, B will do 1 by 8 work, and C will do 1 by 40 work. In 4 day, how much they will do? 4 by 10, 4 by 8 and 4 by 40. That we can rewrite it as, everything we can rewrite it as, make numerator as 40. Not numerator is 4 is okay, make denominator as 40. By multiplying here 4 both in numerator and denominator, so it will be 16 by 40. Multiply 5 both in numerator and denominator, so it will be 20 by 40. Here 4 by 40 it is already there. So when we will take it, its ratio 40 40 get cancel, 4 4 ja, 4 5 ja, 4 1 ja. So amount of work will be done by all is 4 is to 5 is to 1. It means out of 100%, 40% is work done by Amal, 50% work done by Bimal, and 10% is work done by Kamal. So then the Kamal share in rupees will be 10% of 1000. So 1000, 10% of 1000 is just 100 rupees. So option A is the correct one. The here it is asking Kamal share. So Kamal share is just 100 rupees. This you can do by substituting this. We got the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 1. So divide this 1000. This 1000 divided by 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 10 into 10 equal part, which is equal to 100. Each part is 100 and one part will be given to Kamal. So one part is 100 is given to Kamal. So Kamal ratio is rupees 100. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.